It's a great day. Thank you for calling. We have our top list to
Hi, Aura. This is 𝐕𝐢𝐝𝐵.
Ano my name? J.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
It's a great day. Welcome to Capson Hotel. I am Aura. How can I help you today, sir?
Hi, good day. I would like to make a reservation for this coming second week of December.
Please wait for a moment, sir. Yes, we have several vacancies for this coming second week of December. What type of room do you like to book?
What types of room is available for that type?
We have deluxe room, luxury room, and junior suite room.
Is there any changes of your cost rate today?
Yes, sir. We recently have new room rates. Do you find it acceptable, sir?
Maybe. How much is your deluxe room right now?
Our deluxe room for 13,500 with views of Mount Cameron with complete facilities and amenities with inclusion of queen-size bed, a sitting area, a marble bathroom with shower, a walk-in closet, and full butler service. It is also air-conditioned room.
Oh, that's great.
May I know the exact date of your arrival this coming second week of December?
Sure. It's December 9 to 12 at 7 a.m. And I would like to request one bottle of wine and one chocolate flower bouquet.
How many persons are the reservation for?
Please reserve it for 2.
Great! I have already reserved one deluxe room for 2 this coming December 9 to 12 with a special request of one bottle of wine and a chocolate flower bouquet. Can you please spell out the name where the reservation can be listed under?
Sure. Under my name, 𝐲𝐴𝐲𝐹𝐴BILLLARAN.
Please state your contact number and your address.
Sure. My address is number 18, Diamond Street, Zamboanga City, and my contact number is 0926-555-1739.
How would you like to pay it, sir? Through credit card or through cash?
I will pay it through credit card via Visa.
Can I ask for your credit card, sir?
Sure.
Thank you for waiting. Here's your card, sir. Your reservation is on the process. I would like to confirm it. Please state your email address. The confirmation number will be sent through email.
My email address is 𝗲𝚑𝚎𝚘@gmail.com.
Very well, Mr. Fabillaran. I would like to repeat all the details. December 9 to 12, 2020, 7 o'clock is the arrival time. You have booked for one deluxe room for 2 under your name, J.R. Fabillaran, with a special request of one bottle of wine and a chocolate flower bouquet. Your contact number is 0926-555-1739 and your address is number 18 Diamond Street, Paliwasan, Zamboanga City. And you will be paying it through credit card. In case of cancellation, reservation must be cancelled 48 hours hotel time prior to your arrival time in order to avoid one-night full room cancellation fee. For additional requests, especially holiday season, we will do our very best to accommodate you. And we would like also to inform you that we have recently implemented new policies and rules in our hotel. We strictly abide to curfew hours and complete PPE or personal protective equipment, and strict social distancing due to the threat of pandemic. We will do our very best to make you always safe. To have more information, please visit us on 𝑤𝐷.capstone.hotel.com.ph. Is there anything else I can do for you, sir?
Thank you. I guess that would be all.
You are most welcome, Mr. 𝐕𝐢𝐝𝐴𝐴. We will see you at December. It's a great day. Thank you for calling Cabs on Hotel. This is Aura from the front desk speaking. How may I help you today?
Hi, Aura. This is 𝐕𝐢𝐝𝐴𝐴. I would like to make reservations, please.
Hello, Miss Irving. It's nice to hear from you today. What type of room do you like to book?
May I know first the kind of rooms and room rates and its facilities?
Sure, ma'am. Please wait for a moment, ma'am. Thank you for waiting. We have our top listed room, deluxe room, luxury room, and junior suite room. All rooms are air-conditioned with complete facilities and amenities with inclusion of water heater, refrigerator, Wi-Fi, and flat screen 32 inches with 26 channels. Our deluxe room for 12,500 with views of Mount Cameron has 2 full beds, spacious living room, marble bathroom with shower, and full butler service. Our luxury room for 12,850 with natural landscape view with queen size bed, living spacious, and marble bathroom with shower, and full butler service. Lastly, our junior suite room for 13,500 with views of Atlantic Ocean has queen size or king size bed, a lanai facing a scenery palms, and a walk-in closet with full and personal butler service. Which one do you prefer, Miss Irving?
Okay, I'll go with the junior suite room for 2.
Okay, may I know the exact dates of your arrival so I can check if we have an available rooms for that time?
Sure, that's for December 27 to 30, around 7 o'clock in the evening.
Great! I have already booked one junior suite room for this coming December 27 to 30. Can you please spell out the name where the reservation can be listed under?
Yes, that's 𝐬𝐈MAYIRVING. Oh, by the way, are these reservations inclusive of our meals?
Yes, ma'am. We offer free breakfast, lunch, and a buffet for dinner.
Oh, that sounds lovely.
Can you please state your address and your contact number?
My address is number 18 Diamond Street, Zamboanga City, Baliwasan, and my contact number is 026-555-1739.
Very well, Miss Irving. How would you like to pay? Through credit card or through cash?
I'll pay it through cash.
Okay, Miss Irving, your reservation is on the process. Lastly, I would like to ask for your email address so that the confirmation number will be sent through there.
Sure, that's 𝐕𝐢𝐝𝐴𝐴@gmail.com.
Okay, Miss Irving, I would like to repeat all the details I got from you. December 27 to 30, 7 o'clock is your arrival time. You have booked for one junior suite room under your name, 𝐕𝐢𝐝𝐴𝐴42. Your address is number 18 Diamond Street, Baliwasan, Zamboanga City, and your contact number is 0926-555-1739, and you'll be paying it through cash. In case of cancellation, reservation must be canceled 48 hours hotel time in order to avoid one-night full room cancellation fee. For special requests, especially holiday season, we will do our very best to accommodate you. We would like also to inform you that we have recently implemented rules and policies in our hotel. We strictly abide to curfew hours and complete PPE or personal protective equipment and strict social distancing due to the threat of pandemic. We will do our very best to make you always safe. To have more information, please call us again, or you could visit us on www.cabsonhotel.com.ph. Is there anything else I can do for you, ma'am?
Thank you. I guess that would be all.
You are most welcome, Miss Irving. See you in December. Have a great day. Hello, housekeeping department. I would like to inform you that we have upcoming reservation for the second week of December and on the third week of December. Please prepare on time. Thank you. Hello, FBS department. I would like to inform you that we have an upcoming reservation for the second week of December and on the third week of December. Please prepare on time. Thank you.